Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have an exciting property showcase for you. Get ready to be amazed as we take you on a virtual tour of this fully furnished apartment for sale in the beautiful neighborhood of Talawathugoda, Sri Lanka. Nestled in a serene and safe residential area, this fifth-floor apartment is truly a gem. Let's dive into the details and explore what this fantastic property has to offer. First up, let's talk about the specifications. This modern apartment was completed in 2021 and boasts 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, spread across a spacious 1,450.0 sqft area. Each bedroom is designed for comfort, and the bathrooms come with hot water supply for your convenience. Step into the luxurious living room, elegantly furnished and fully air-conditioned, providing the perfect ambiance to relax and unwind. The apartment includes a fully equipped kitchen, making meal preparation a delightful experience. Wait till you see the view from the not 1, not 2, but 4 balconies. It offers picturesque scenes that will captivate your heart. But the amenities don't stop there. Head up to the rooftop and enjoy a refreshing dip in the rooftop pool. Stay fit in the air-conditioned gym with state-of-the-art equipment. For added convenience, there's a separate room and bathroom for your domestic staff. Your vehicle will be well taken care of with a designated parking slot, and the building is equipped with 2 high-speed elevators. The spacious rooftop terrace offers the perfect spot for gatherings and events. There's also a separate area for your laundry needs. For environmentally conscious buyers, this apartment even features an electric vehicle charging point. Rest easy with 24/7 security and CCTV operation to keep you and your loved ones safe. Host, now that you've seen the incredible features of this apartment, let's talk about its location. The property is conveniently located just 1 minute away from Talawathugoda Junction and Himas Hospital. Within 3 minutes, you'll find supermarkets like Arpico, Spar, and Cargill's. For outdoor enthusiasts, Diasaru Park and Kimbalawala Jogging Path are just a short 5-minute drive away. And if you need to commute to Bataramula, it's only 6 minutes from here. Now, let's talk about the price. This exquisite fully furnished apartment can be yours for just 53 million Sri Lankan rupees. And remember, the price is negotiable after inspection. To schedule a viewing or inquire about this property, call us now at 07559545567 or 07261688894. You can also reach us via WhatsApp at the same numbers. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a luxurious fully furnished apartment in the heart of Talawathugoda, Sri Lanka. Give us a call today and let's make your dream home a reality. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more exciting property showcases like this one. Until next time, take care, and happy house hunting!